Peace to the family, another beautiful day. Hopefully, you in that space of prosperity and abundance. So today on the YouTube channel, I want to talk about how to be productive, but not only I'm going to go over a quick tutorial on how to use the Google Suites, but not only integrate the Google Suites into your phone so you can be on the go and still use it and be real productive. So once you finish watching this video, if you like more, make sure you let me know. I can do some more tutorials about different software and everything like that. Not only that, I'm still running 1,005 days. So here we go. Let me show you. All right, so now we on Google. You logged into Google. When you go to those boxes right up there, click on it, and you shall see all of the Google Suites. Now, like I said before, this can help you out in your productivity. Download them on your iPhone, even on your Android. Download these different apps because it can make your day easy. Not only that, you can get work done at home or even on the road. So it all starts with the Google Drive. That's the Google Cloud right here. If you look over there, that's the space where you can save so many different documents. You want to be organized. You can create a folder. All you do is right click. As you can see, new folder. You click on it, type in whatever is the name that you want, and then you click create. Now from there, if you look over there, it's like a task window, which is your Google Calendar. Excellent app to use. Then when you go down, it's Google Keeps. That's a great note-taking system. And then down there is right under is a task bar where if you're working on a document, you can add different tasks that you need to complete and have it pulled up. So whenever you doing something and you want to see a task, you can just click on that. Always use it. Now, when you click on the new, you'll see Google Docs. We're going to start with Google Docs. So Google Docs is like an online document. I believe that it's better than Microsoft Word because you can do it anywhere. And not only that, you have the ability to share it with people, which I think is so cool. So right now, you got to rename the document, whatever it is that you want to rename it. Then you go to the right. On the right, you make sure that you click at the bottom. Excuse me for that popping up, one of my hot corners. But you want to make it accessible to anybody that has the link. You can make it the person editor, or you can just make it where a person can just see it. I think that's pretty cool. If you want to make somebody editor, at the same time, both of you all can work on the document. It could be numerous people working on the document. So that's why I like Google Docs. Here's Google Sheets. It's like Microsoft Excel, but a little more user-friendly. You can use it online. You can use it on your phone. If you like data, this is the place to go to put your data, charts, budgets, calendars, you name it, it's right on there. So after Google Sheets, you got Google Slides, and Google Slides is just like Microsoft PowerPoint, but I believe it's a little bit better because you can use different templates on online, put them in. Not only that, you can add on different tools that you can use to make your presentation interactive. Not only that, you can share it and have multiple people work on it at the same time. It's a great way for collaboration. Then the last one is that I'm going to talk about is Google Forms. And that's just a great app to gather information, surveys. If you want to collect data from a particular group or your own group and everything like that, Google Forms is an excellent tool to use. So I'm going to be going into deeper detail about the different suites and everything in the next video. So if you want me to go into more, just let me know. Comment in the bottom. And it's all about being productive. Maximize your day. So I pretty much thank everybody for watching this video. Comment, share, and everything like that. And I shall see you.